the problem of objective morality. One, moral subjectivity and relativism. One significant weakness of atheism is its reliance on subjective morality. When morality is purely subjective, it becomes challenging to establish universal ethical standards. If moral values are merely a product of individual or cultural preferences, then actions considered morally wrong in one society could be deemed acceptable in another. This relativism can lead to moral chaos, where acts like genocide, slavery, or torture could be justified under certain cultural contexts. 2, lack of a stable moral foundation. Without a belief in a higher power or an objective moral lawgiver, atheism struggles to provide a stable foundation for morality. Human reason and empathy, while valuable, are insufficient in creating a consistent and unchanging moral framework. Philosophers like Immanuel Kant have argued for the necessity of a moral lawgiver to ground our moral duties and obligations, suggesting that atheism lacks this grounding. The argument from existence and purpose. 3, the question of origin and meaning. Atheism often posits that the universe and life itself are the results of random chance and natural processes. However, this perspective struggles to answer fundamental questions about existence and purpose. Why is there something rather than nothing? What is the ultimate purpose of life? Theism provides a coherent answer to these questions by positing a purposeful creator, while atheism often resorts to brute facts without deeper explanation. 4, the problem of nihilism. If life has no inherent purpose or meaning, as some atheistic perspectives suggest, this can lead to existential nihilism. Without a higher purpose, individuals might struggle with feelings of despair and futility. Theism, on the other hand, offers a framework where life has intrinsic value and purpose, providing a sense of hope and direction. The argument from rationality and consciousness. 5, the basis for rational thought. Atheism faces a challenge in explaining the origin of rationality and consciousness. If our thoughts and beliefs are solely the products of unguided evolutionary processes, how can we trust them to be reliable or true? Alvin Plantinga's evolutionary argument against naturalism highlights this issue by arguing that if both evolution and naturalism are true, the probability of our cognitive faculties being reliable is low. 6, the hard problem of consciousness. Consciousness remains one of the that